Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a really fun collab. Tracy at Eclectic Wandering contacted me after I opened a Boy Blythe I had gotten, but by the time she contacted me, we pre-record, and I had already done his face up and everything. And what she was asking was, would I like to do a collab customizing a Boy Blythe doll? But I said, yes, I would. And I bought another and I thought about what I might want to do. And we also asked Tina at Tina's Barbies, J Dolls UK, and Dory's Dollies to join in with us. The idea is to customize a Boy Blythe doll and show him playing outdoors. Now mine, I hope you get an idea of who he is. He has this little peach fuzz. He's kind of a young, he is a young Gomez, but he's like pre-teenager or young teenager. I used, the suit pattern I used, I hate the sleeves. I hate the sleeves. But what I had done was I had copied out, the top is a Renaissance suit coat, which I didn't know there was such a thing, but okay. And the sleeves are puffy. And because they're puffy, it kind of messed up my size, which messed up my cuff. I actually put a cuff in at the sleeve and at the pants leg. There's a cuff here if you can see it. I like the pants. They worked out just fine. The little tie is okay. I think what I'm going to do is after this, I didn't want to do anything else to it and ruin it before the video. So I think what I'm going to do is pull these on down and see if I can seam rip that sleeve up a little bit and then fold that over the other direction and see if I can't straighten that up. But in the meantime, does he not look like a little boy playing Office? I really like him. I want to show you his eyes that I have done. I did not add anything to the black on his eyelids, but here is his true love, Morticia, and this was fabric. And I cut out the circle and glued that to his eyes. And then he's got some brown eyes. This is based on the 1960, was it 4 and 5? 1964 and 5 or 3 and 4. Gomez, very dark eyes. I added, those are the ones I wanted him on. I added the purple around his eyes. Just a little bit. I didn't want to overdo it because I enjoy face up so much on Blythe dolls. I may not be great at it, but I love it. And one thing I've learned is really your interpretation may not always come out like you think because you can overdo it really quick. These are the beads I decided to put on the back of Gomez's head. If you watch the show, he doesn't just do yoga. He does I can't think of it. As soon as the camera goes off, I remember.
Yogi?
Zen Yogi. Yes, thank you. Ooh. And there's always skulls involved, and he has a witch doctor rather than a medical doctor that he calls in Africa, and it's hilarious. Anyway, so those are his beads. This is his face. These are his little shoes. Darren 3D printed the little boy shoes. I love them. I love them. Got to have more of those. I need brown and gray tan for all my boys. Now let's take him outside, like the collab said, and see what he likes to play.
Isn't it exciting? One train going east, the other one going west.
I have an idea. What if they crash head on?
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and oh, subscribe.